Hey there, welcome back to those who watched my video on configuring thresholds on the devices monitored in OpManager. If you haven't checked it out yet, you can find a link to it in the video description. In this video, I will show you how to set threshold values for disk partitions using threshold settings in OpManager. Let me start by answering a question you might have. Why should I configure a threshold using threshold settings when I can do it from device templates? Well, when you apply a threshold value for partition monitors from a device template, it applies a common threshold value to all the disk partitions such as C, D, and E. To configure a custom threshold value for specific disk partitions, you have to use threshold settings. To configure threshold values from threshold settings, go to Settings, Configuration, Quick Configuration Wizard, choose Threshold Settings, then select Performance Monitors. On this page, select Partition Details as the monitor type, select the protocol type, category, and business view group based on your needs. Click Next to view a list of available disk partitions for various servers. Select the disk partitions you would like to set a threshold value for. Then click the Configure button in the top right corner of the page. Enter the monitoring interval and units. Enter the threshold alert value for the partition monitor based on your requirements. This lets you configure multiple thresholds, so you are notified on faults at various levels. Select the match condition for the threshold value. It can be greater than, less than, or equivalent to the threshold limit. Let's say I want OpManager to trigger an attention alarm when the disk partition utilization is greater than 70%, a trouble alarm when it is greater than 80%, and a critical alarm when it is greater than 90%. Now, enter the rearm value. Once the monitor reaches this value, the alarms will be cleared. Finally, click Apply and Overwrite. This will set the threshold value for the selected devices. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. To stay up to date with the latest videos exploring OpManager features, subscribe to our channel, OpManager Tech Videos.